Hey folks, this is Ken from Silly Westies. Well, I'm at the Annual Neuse River Valley train show held here in Raleigh at the North Carolina State Fairgrounds. I'm with the S&SSofNC Society, and we've set up our layout here for probably better than 7 years now. And so just wanted to show you some of the highlights of the layout. It's pretty massive. It's about probably close to 15,000 square feet. So let's give you a quick overview of the whole layout, all right? Way past those guys, over almost to those columns there, is the layout. Got some really neat track work here. And we got way back over there the guys from the Wilmington in their purple shirts. And we've got the Bill with his B&O station right there, all built from Mark Gugliotta using DPM walls. Then we got Richard Rayburn's bridge over there. And come around here and we've got several more modules here. I couldn't even be able to begin to describe all the modules. Now it's a little short of those poles there. They did it right up to the poles last year. It was just too much. We have a lot of main line. We don't have too many branch line modules. And got some of Ken's modules right there. We got some short trains, we got long trains. We have a young fellow from Myrtle Beach, and he loves the Florida East Coast, and he has scratch built these cars here, and he's also custom made all the loads here. And apparently this sand train here is 108 cars. Pretty impressive. They've also added a lot more modules this year. So stay tuned for more. This is Ken from Silly Westies signing off from NC State Fairgrounds in Raleigh, North Carolina. Adieu.